Audrey Powell, and this will be my second year. So I actually met with Glenda and Alberto, Dr. Lopez, and I met with them outside of the dentistry, and they really encouraged me to come here because prior to this, I had a bad relationship with my dentist. So it was like really nice having someone I already trusted. And so I came here and I just loved everything. So I had a few teeth with where I had fillings done. And when I complained to my prior dentist about having pain after the fillings, it was told that it was like my fault. And I didn't really love that. And so I kind of feared going to the dentist and mistake that it was something I was doing wrong. But when I came here, it felt like all of my fears were like validated, and it really helped me get through whatever pain I was feeling and like making sure that nothing was happening that I was uncomfortable with. So that definitely made me feel better about like coming to the dentist. Incredibly like warm, and I feel like I can trust anybody here to do whatever needs to be done, and everyone's very welcoming, and it seems like we have a relationship. Like they remember my son and like our life story, which I've never had that experience with a dentist before. It definitely feels like relaxed, but like a community. I don't know if that makes sense. Like you kind of walk in and people already know who you are, and then it feels very comfortable. It's not very like clinical and like, I don't know, it's just the music and just everything. It's just comfortable and safe. Yeah, I mean, prior I didn't really come because I was just scared. And now that I'm actually taking care of my teeth and I'm coming regularly, like I'm valuing it and seeing how I can like pass on these like habits to my son, who he's one, so he's just now getting his teeth. But it's definitely helping me value like what I do to take care of myself and how I can spread that to others so they can also, know how important it is. 100%. I mean, I tell everyone that we know, come here. If they go, every time I see it on Facebook, like, where would you recommend? I'm like, Olean Dental Studio. I recommend it to all of our friends, and, my husband comes here, and anyone that I know that needs something done, I'm like, this is the place to go, because it's really unmatched when you compare to like other dentistry or even other doctors and stuff. Like it definitely feels like a family and not as much just another doctor you're seeing.